What's up? This is our new YouTube channel about cars. It's called Cars Only. This is what we're gonna use to grow our channel even more. Our cars. We have a Genesis right here, 3.8 R spec. We're gonna do a lot of modifications to it and record it for you guys right here. And then as we come over here, we have a FRS. But we'll get more into that later. But this is the first time, our first video. We're about to install a shifting knob right now.
Not a shifting knob, a shifting boot. We're gonna make this Crown Royal fit on here. So look, this is what's wrong. Pretty much that.
It was simple to make. It's just for the FRSs and BRZs, you have to like cut a slit to put it under. His will just fit because it's smaller.
What do you say about?
So right now he's about to cut the slit so he could fit it through the padding right here, and then it'll just clip onto that.
Should you say like right here?
Right there should be fine.
Right there?
Alright, right now he just cut the slit so he can fold it over here. Now we're gonna get the screwdriver and puncture the holes so we can fit it into there and it'll fit. So right now we're about to make a slit because it doesn't fully fit over it. It's still a little bit too big. So we're gonna cut a slit that'll leave us.
Cut a slit probably to like the end of these scissors. You're gonna wanna cut your slit to probably like the end of these scissors if you have a Genesis. Because it does not fit over the boot as of like by itself, so you have to make a little slit to make it stretch over. See about right there? Okay, now let's see if this fits. Right there.
And later on we're gonna switch our shifting knobs. It's just for right now. We're gonna put the Crown Royal on the boot. Yeah, it should be good, and then on that last piece you can add it. So right now he's puncturing the boot so he can fit the little
clips into it.
The little clips ordinary to fit into the car.
Where did that hole just go? Wait, what the hell did I do? Right there.
Be sure to puncture it and don't actually put this on there, because I broke one of my little plastic parts trying to put it on there. Because they're not very well built, they're just cheap, they're glued on there. It's so hot outside, it's like 95 degrees, 90. Drinking some Gatorade. Alright, we put it in there. Now we're just gonna cut the access stuff that's remaining.
Where you put your slit at, I underestimated. So the piece that you cut off of the bag, you poke holes and then you tuck it up into here. When you're driving, nobody would be able to tell.
Because it'd be in the back over here to the front, so no one would be looking over here. But all over here is perfect. You can't barely tell unless you know it's your car because you're the one who made the slits. Now we're just gonna put the boot back on. The fitment should be perfect as long as you align the little clips right. Alright, so this is the final product, guys. We actually clipped it on good. And then after you have those long things, you could just tie them and put them on the back. But this is how it's gonna look. We did that pretty quick. And it won't get stuck, it'll go on there perfect. It works really good. It doesn't get caught in nothing, so you guys will be fine. So that's pretty much, guys. We wrapped it up with the video. You seen how we entered the boot with all the Crown Royal stuff. Make sure you guys cut the slits and all. I didn't show my car, I showed his car because I wanted to get a little fluent with it, but the next time that I switch mine again, I'll make sure to record it. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like our channel. There's gonna be a lot more car people in our channel, like our friends from school, and you guys are gonna like this channel. I want to grow as a family together. But this is boy Ambition Gang, and well.